July 30th. Last night we rejoiced. We are nearing England. Weather fine. All sails set. Retired worn out. Slept soundly. Awakened by mate telling me that man of watch and steersman missing. Only self and mate and 2 hands left to work ship.
There is something in that wind that sounds and looks and tastes and smells like death. It's in the air. I feel it coming.
August 1st. 2 days of fog and not a sail sighted. Had hoped when in the English Channel to be able to signal for help or to put in somewhere. Not having power to work sails, have to run before wind. Dared not lower us, could not raise them again.